Hi, Gavin. This is Gavin taking a run around the church.
This is how Gavin plays.
Yeah. Bye, Gavin.
This is what Gavin thinks when he...
Say something into the camera, Tim.
Say what?
Say something.
I love
Something.
cake.
Say something else.
Say something else.
Pie.
Make a statement now, please.
I don't like you.
Damn.
Where? What do you have to say, Aaron? This is what Aaron does in the house of God.
This is what we all do in the house of God. You just don't catch us.
That was not me, that was her.
It was her.
Say hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Say hi, Aaron.
Hi, Aaron. Hi there.
What?
Hi.
He's very talkative tonight. Hi, Gavin. Say hello. Say something into the camera. Do the African thing.
What African thing?
What African thing?
Do something that's something you do.
It's like African, you know, not American, but African. There's a difference.
That's an example of a breath being taken by Gavin. Do
Why
something.
is it always me?
Do something.
Why is it always pointing at Tim?
Crocky! Look at that! There's a black mamba!
Do something. You guys should do like the dance thing that you do, like the sidekick shuffle thing.
The what? The what?
She's making the thing even more awkward as the day goes on. What?
As the night.
What? Oh. It'll be day before we're done.
No, I don't think so either. Wait about 20 minutes.